News Show right here on CNN News 18. Let's take you right now to highlights coming out of Maharashtra, where we're learning that Uddhav Thackeray will not be going to Delhi for the INDIA meeting today. Only Sanjay Raut, Arvind Sawant will be doing that. Remember, in Maharashtra, we saw the INDIA-led alliance lead to a drubbing for the Mahayuti, an absolute drubbing. In what turned out to be an incredible contest. We'll just bring you more details about the wins that we saw over there. But in a huge turnaround, the MVA dealing a rude jolt to the ruling Eknath Shinde-led Mahayuti alliance, leading in 29 of the 48 seats in Maharashtra. Let's just go over to our colleague Vinaya Deshpande to understand more. Vinaya, obviously, as we've been telling our audiences since yesterday, the showing is a huge sign of confidence that Maharashtrians have in the Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena. But Uddhav Thackeray choosing not to attend the INDIA meeting, only sending Sanjay Raut, for example, Arvind Sawant, how should we read into that?
Well, Toya, there seems to be an audio problem. May I request you to repeat the question?
How should our audiences read into the fact that the former Chief Minister has chosen to stay in Mumbai to not attend this key INDIA meeting?
Well, this is a preliminary meeting, Toya, and considering the fact that, the NDA has the kind of numbers that it requires in order to stake claim to the formation of the government, we are seeing that within the India bloc itself, there are several lines of thought that are there. While there is mobilization that is going on with respect to trying to change the hearts of both Chandrababu Naidu as well as Nitish Kumar, who will play a key role in the alignment whichever way the government goes. But the fact that today Sanjay Raut and both Arvind Sawant are going to go to Delhi in order to attend the meeting shows that this is something that is a process that will take some time. Now, yesterday Uddhav Thackeray, while speaking with us, said that he will likely go in the evening. But the way the picture has been emerging, it seems that the India bloc is also looking at how the BJP and its allies are in a comfortable position to garner the numbers. So, as of now, while Sharad Pawar and Supriya Sule are already in Delhi, remember Sharad Pawar has been quite instrumental since yesterday, getting in touch with several regional players. He has a different sense of things, and he will, being in Delhi, try to mobilize several leaders and get in touch with them. The fact that Uddhav Thackeray sees this as a situation where his presence at present is not required, he feels that it's a dynamic situation where in the next 48 hours or so, depending on how things move, he will take a call on whether he will have to be in Delhi or not. As of now, it seems quite clear that the NDA seems to have the sufficient numbers, and that is the sense that we are getting from the NDA alliance partners in Maharashtra as well. May it be the NCP Ajit Pawar group or the Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde group, both the groups seem to be quite convinced that it will be Narendra Modi 3.0 which will come to power this time on again, and so there will be no question of changes this time on. It seems that within the India bloc as well, while Sharad Pawar has chosen to be in Delhi along with daughter Supriya Sule, who was supposed to be in Baramati today, she has changed her plans to be in Delhi today. Uddhav Thackeray sees it differently, and that is why now Uddhav Thackeray will continue to remain in Mumbai, monitoring the situation closely. From here is what sources close to him tell us. But at the same time, Sanjay Raut and Arvind Sawant will be a part of the crucial India bloc meeting that will be held today evening. How the mobilization within the India bloc goes will be the way after which Uddhav Thackeray will decide whether he will have to be in Delhi or not. But today at least we learned that Uddhav Thackeray will continue to be here. Within Mumbai, it is also important that Uddhav Thackerays presence is maintained, simply because of the kind of performance that Uddhav Thackeray group of the Shiv Sena has showed. So we are expecting that MPs who have been elected in yesterday's elections will now come to meet Uddhav Thackeray. There will be a kind of a show of strength. There will be jubilation that will happen at Uddhav Thackeray's residence in Matoshri at Mumbai. And that is why Uddhav Thackeray has chosen to be in Mumbai to meet with his party cadres and to meet with the newly elected MPs, while his chosen MPs, both Sanjay Raut as well as Arvind Sawant, will attend that meeting in Delhi today. In any case, there seems to be a broader understanding within the Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction at least, that the kind of numbers that the NDA has shows that it will be comfortably in back.
Vinaya, we'll just come back to you in a second.